Since its creation more than a decade ago, the cryptocurrency market has celebrated several major achievements. However, for the skeptics out there, these successes are far outweighed by the market's high-profile setbacks. From rampant scams and fraud through to hundreds of so-called dead coins, there is certainly a lot of evidence to back up some people's claims that the value of Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies will eventually fall to zero. The fail. A major problem in the crypto market is the lack of innovation by developers. There have been multiple launches of the new Bitcoin, despite the fact that Bitcoin is still heavily in demand. Since the market doesn't need a new Bitcoin, these coins inevitably fail. According to Crypto Coin News, another somewhat ironic issue stems from the acceptance of crypto by financial institutions. Wall Street is steadily taking charge of the crypto action, professionalizing trading with the likes of derivatives and futures products. We may now be entering a phase where only large institutions will be able to generate profit from cryptocurrency design. Many other cryptocurrencies could fail in the future simply because they don't have the resources to compete with these huge institutions. Another potential consequence of crypto entering the mainstream could be more stringent regulation, which only serves to stifle growth and innovation. Yet perhaps the market's biggest problem is its failure to garner trust among the general public. Many people have lost enormous amounts of money, either because they invested more than they should have in the Bitcoin bubble or because they have fallen victim to scams or hacks. Whilst too much regulation is thought to be bad for the crypto market, the lack of it thus far, combined with a general lack of understanding and awareness among the public, is likely to lead to even more people losing their hard-earned money in the future. Conclusion. The cryptocurrency model certainly has a lot of problems to overcome, but this doesn't necessarily mean it is doomed to fail. New coins are being launched all the time. There are around 3,000 currently in existence, and several of these are proving to be a huge success. Prices are still volatile, but the sector as a whole is much more stable than it was in the past. As the sector starts to mature, it's likely we'll see even wider adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology by individuals and companies around the globe. With that will come an increased understanding of cryptocurrencies as an investment opportunity, which will hopefully help to minimize the huge losses suffered by unsuspecting members of the public. Oh no! Bitcoin dropped from $42,000 to $32,500 the past 3 days. If you're new to cryptocurrency, and you had just bought BTC at $42,000, I could well understand any emotions you're feeling right now. However, let me share my experience with you and how you can turn this into something positive from here. Back in 2017, I was a student and I had just bought my first 0.25 BTC, at a price of $2,500 per Bitcoin. $625 was still a lot of money for me back then, but I was interested and considered it well worth the risk. 2 days later, Bitcoin dropped from $2,500 to about $2,000. I sold, because I was afraid to lose the rest of my money. I was new to investing and let the emotions get the better of me. Because, a few days later, Bitcoin was trading at $2,500 per BTC again and I found myself buying back less BTC. Here's what I learned. It's not too late to buy Bitcoin. It is however almost impossible to time the perfect bottom. Therefore, it's smart to always be in the market and consider downfalls like this to be opportunities in which you can dollar-cost average down. Meaning your average purchase price per BTC decreases, enabling you to profit more from an overall uptrend, which we're seeing in the current bull market. Why is the crypto market falling now? Corrections in bull markets are normal. This doesn't mean the market has suddenly turned bearish. Previous bull markets saw various dips in which BTC fell 20 to 30–40%, before heading further back up.